I'm taking a walk on the North Central Railroad Trail, and this explains the history of it. Completed in 1832, and it carried freight between Baltimore, York, and Harrisburg for 140 years. That's pretty interesting. Now we'll zoom out. Started on my nature walk. Let's head down here. See if I see any wildlife. I'm walking down to this area, and there's normally some birds and around the bamboo. Let's see, rules of the road. Hikers yield to horses. Pets on the leash. Bikers yield to users. Horse riders tell users when it's safe to pass. Wow, there's like nobody here. Nothing for a while.